Hello guys, I greet you all according to your time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I thank you guys for turning in again to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I want to show you guys how I make my Nigeria but very easy and very simple. So guys, just sit down, take a glass of water, and let's get started. Before we start guys, let me just quickly drop this. Everybody get your own way to prepare to make your. So this is my own way to make my own, and the things I use to make my own. Let's get started guys. Guys, you can see this is my farina, so which is flour that I will use. So I will use half of it. This is my sugar, my ground oil, my yeast that I will use to mix it. That is my salt. So like as I said before, the flour I will use half of it. So I don't want to use one. So you see this, I use half of it because I don't want it to too much. That's the reason why I use half of it. So I will mix it with warm water, not hot water, warm water. As you can see guys, I already mix it. So I will turn my flour to the rubber. Half of it, what I will use, half of it. So guys, everybody get your own way to make or to prepare your. So this is the easy way I used to do mine, and I do it very easy way so that people can understand, and people can easily know how to do it very easy way. So I'll add my salt, add my sugar, I will turn the yeast into the farina, the flour, the farina, speaking Italian, the flour. So I will turn it. Before that, I will use warm water, not hot water. If you want to do yours, use warm water. Warm, not hot, not cold. Warm water. So you use it to mix it. So see guys, I'm already mixing it. I will mix it. So I already mixed it. I already mix everything together. So now I will cover it with kitchen paper. Please guys, support your sister. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the notification bell for me. You see guys, so I already wrap it with kitchen paper. So I will put it inside my oven like 20 to 30 minutes so that it will rise very well. Understand? So I bring it out. You see, I already turn it to, because when I bring it out, the thing just full rubber. So I open it like some minutes, so everything go back again. Please support your sister, share my video to your loved one, grow this channel for me. As you can see guys, I don't have the instrument, what am I supposed to say? The instrument or the kitchen things like that, because I have not yet grown my channel. So for example, my channel, I grow, so I'm able to afford me to do the ingredients, the kitchen things. Guys, I'm joking, but seriously, one side joke, the other side no. So as you can see guys, you see everything I use, I'm just managing. Please support me, share my video to your love you, and don't forget to subscribe for me. That is very important. Subscribe for me. Turn that notification bell for me. So as you can see, we're almost ready. Our puff is almost ready. You see guys, you see the way I do it. Very easy. Very simple and easy. So you can use spoon, you can use anything, but me, I prefer to use my hand. So I use my hand to cut it into the oil. So you can see do this like that. Because my thing, I want my teeth to be natural. So as you can see, my mom is almost ready. So this is the way I do mine. It's very delicious. Sorry guys, if you hear noise, I'm a mother. So you guys know you have a glass, you must surely make noise. So you know that they are here. So just stay with me, concentrate to how I make it. So it is ready now. So you guys see it. And I will allow it to brown very well. So it will brown very well before I remove it from oil. I will allow it to very brown very well. Sorry guys, like as I said before, I'm a mother. As you can see guys, our puff is ready. It's good to go now. Good to eat. Hey, very delicious. So this is my favorite. Because of that, I don't eat it always. Understand? So it's ready. You see guys, I allowed it brown very well before I will take it out of oil. As you can see guys, our puff is ready. It looks so delicious. So the reason why my puff is like this, I don't use too much of what's they call it, too much of brick. I don't use it, you understand? I don't use the little one because of fat. So that's the reason why it's like this. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you for tuning in once again. Please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn that notification bell for me. Like and drop a comment how you see this my Nigeria puff, how easy it is. Thank you once again. Please, if you are a YouTuber, share my video to your community. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.